and gentlemen, my name's Nico. I'm JJ. And welcome back to Nico's and JJ's awesome show. Today's going to be a special day. Jay, tell them what we are doing.
So, we're gonna whoop this volcano this day. Uh-oh. Yeah.
Kelly and Jimmy, Nico.
Hello, Jamie. I named JJ.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
And welcome back to
JJ's
Awesome Show! And today's on your special day. Tell them what you're doing.
So, a day today. We're doing a volcano.
And now our volcano's dry. We're going to remove it from this mirror. Take this from the top. Oh! Ah!
I think we lost it.
Oh! Okay, let's do this. Oh! You want to put it upside down?
Yeah.
Ooh! Now I know why they did that upside down. I was like, wait, we're gonna erupt it upside down? We're gonna erupt it like this? What? That doesn't make any sense. We're so cool. So I was like, what? Oh, Jay, you want to say something?
Yep. Rugged boggy geeky bop bop bop. A day today. A day we're gonna paint our volcano today.
That's our intro.
Gonna paint our volcano.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
We're putting the paint down here to make it easier.
Yep. Thanks.
We can also cover our caps if you like. You can do whatever you want. Of course. It doesn't really matter what way you do it.
So guys, I will use some of this red and maybe lava come out. Yeah, I will.
And we can mix colors. You can do it too. Whichever way you want.
I love yellow.
Ooh! I just thought of putting them all together, baby.
Sorry, I'm taking all base.
You're not taking all of it. As long as we have fun. That's all important. And family, don't forget family. Don't forget family too.
Sorry, I'm pushing it.
It's okay. Mix all of these together. I'm using all of my paint to mix together.
Guys, we're having so much fun. Right, Bingo?
Yeah, this is the oh no! And we hope we're making you laugh. Oh yes! Let me tell you what Jay's doing. You can kind of see it right there. He's showing that some lava's coming out of it. But it's a beautiful color. You have to admit that's a beautiful color.
Done. Let me show you. Can you see it, Bunny? Oh my God, you're looking clear for Nico.
I know.
No, yours.
And then I do this. Booga 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 booga. Dun 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 dun. My charger in That's what we so say. Then we pour some water in it. Then BAM!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, guys. Now we're erupt volcano.
Now it's painted.
It's time to erupt volcano. Because we're just kids, we're just gonna let our grown-ups help us. There's someone there that's bigger, like a grown-up. Ooh, it's red.
How do we red? Okay, we gonna pick up a water and put in the volcano, guys.
Water and the powder don't have a reaction. So I'm scared. So cool, kind of like red lava with bubble. This is so cool. Like, look at it. It's like it also got in like pink. And Jade's side is like it's coming from here.
Thanks for joining us for John Nation.
Thanks for joining us on our Spider-Man. A Spider-Man experiment? No, a Spider-Man. But thank you for joining us on our experiments. And this was really cool. No! Then we have to clean it up. But don't touch a red water. If you did, wash your hands, please. That might hurt you.
Guys, I'm sad it didn't went always my side, but that's okay. Guys, we was having so fun with this one, but we're making it bigger.
It's so exciting. If you want to see that experiment, watch the next video. That's gonna be exciting. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Emoji face.